As many of you probably know, Elon Musk is the CEO of SpaceX, the private American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company. And one of SpaceX's most ambitious goals is to send people to Mars. SpaceX is known for its ambitious goal of enabling people to live on other planets and its efforts to reduce space transportation costs. But why is this important, and how does it benefit humanity? Before we get into today's video, remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more of Elon Musk. First of all, SpaceX's work in reusable rockets and spacecraft has the potential to greatly reduce the cost of access to space. Traditional rockets are only used once before being discarded, which makes space exploration incredibly expensive. But SpaceX has successfully landed and reused several of its rockets, which has the potential to make space travel more affordable and accessible. This not only has the potential to open up space exploration to more people and organizations, but it could also enable new technologies and innovations that require access to space. Additionally, SpaceX's missions to send satellites and spacecraft to space have a number of practical benefits for humanity. For example, the company has launched a number of satellites that provide internet access to remote and underserved areas on Earth. This has the potential to greatly improve communication and access to information in these areas, which could have a wide range of positive impacts. SpaceX has also sent cargo to the International Space Station, which has enabled important scientific research to be conducted in space. This research has the potential to improve our understanding of the universe and advance a number of fields, including medicine, materials, science, and astronomy. But perhaps most excitingly, SpaceX's ultimate goal is to enable people to live on other planets. This has the potential to not only greatly expand the reach of humanity, but also to ensure the survival of our species in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth. By establishing a human presence on other planets, we can ensure that our species has a backup plan and a future beyond our home planet. In addition to the practical benefits of SpaceX's work, it also has the potential to inspire and excite people about space exploration and science. The company's successful rocket landings and launches have generated a lot of buzz and interest, and its ambitious plans for the future have captured the imagination of people around the world. Musk has been vocal about his desire to establish a human presence on Mars, and he has outlined a number of plans and timelines for achieving this goal. He has stated that SpaceX plans to send a cargo mission to Mars as early as 2022, with the goal of building a permanent, self-sustaining human settlement on the planet. The company has already made significant progress in this regard, with the successful launch and landing of its Falcon Heavy rocket and the development of its Starship spacecraft, which is designed to carry humans to Mars. The spacecraft is intended to be used in conjunction with the Super Heavy rocket, which will provide the initial launch and propulsion to get the Starship into orbit. Once in orbit, the Starship will be able to carry up to 100 people at a time on missions to Mars. It will also be able to transport large amounts of cargo, such as supplies and equipment, to support a human settlement on the planet. In addition to its role in transporting people and cargo to Mars, the Starship could also be used for other purposes, such as satellite launches and space tourism. The spacecraft is designed to be versatile and be able to handle a wide range of missions. Overall, the Starship is an important part of SpaceX's plans for establishing a human settlement on Mars, and it is likely to play a crucial role in helping people move to and live on the planet. But why is Musk so focused on Mars, and why is it important for humanity to explore and potentially settle on the Red Planet? First of all, Musk believes that establishing a human presence on Mars is necessary for the long-term survival of our species. In the event of a catastrophic event on Earth, such as a global pandemic or a large asteroid impact, having a human settlement on Mars would ensure that our species has a backup plan and a chance to continue. This is known as the life insurance argument for exploring and settling other planets. Additionally, exploring and potentially settling on Mars has the potential to greatly advance our understanding of the universe and the potential for life on other planets. The Mars rovers and landers sent by NASA and other space agencies have already provided valuable information about the planet's surface and geology, but a human presence on Mars would enable even more in-depth and extensive exploration and research. This could potentially lead to new discoveries about the history and potential habitability of Mars, and could also provide insights into the broader question of the existence of life elsewhere in the universe. Furthermore, establishing a human presence on Mars could also enable new technologies and innovations that could benefit humanity. For example, the challenges of living and working on Mars, such as providing food, water and air for the settlers, could drive the development of new technologies in the fields of agriculture, water recycling and life support systems. Additionally, the specific conditions on Mars, such as the low gravity and lack of an atmosphere, could enable new advances in materials science and propulsion systems. Once on Mars, infrastructure would need to be built to support human life. This could include habitats for people to live in, as well as systems for producing food, water, and other resources. Musk has also discussed the possibility of terraforming the planet, which would involve altering the Martian environment to make it more habitable for humans. Finally, Musk believes that it will be important to find ways to produce resources on Mars rather than having to rely on supplies from Earth. This could involve everything from mining for minerals to growing crops in Martian soil. By establishing a self-sustaining human settlement on Mars, Musk hopes to pave the way for humanity to become a multiplanetary species. Musk also sees Mars as a potential new frontier for human expansion and exploration. He has stated that he believes that it is important for humanity to become a multiplanetary species in order to avoid the risks of putting all our eggs in one basket by relying solely on Earth. This would not only provide a backup plan for the survival of our species, but it would also enable humanity to expand beyond our home planets and explore the vastness of the universe. Overall, SpaceX's work in space exploration and technology has the potential to greatly benefit humanity and our future. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this video informative. What are your thoughts on SpaceX and the thought of humans moving to Mars? Do you think this will change humanity for the better? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are interested in seeing more videos of Elon Musk, then check some of our other videos.